Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to remove your phone number from inside your Facebook app. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's begin. Alright guys, go ahead and open up your Facebook app on your mobile device. And then you want to click onto your profile. And then from your profile you want to click onto the gear icon because you want to navigate to your Meta account center. So what you need to do is click on see more in account center. And then you want to go down and click on personal details under account settings. And then from here, we'll show you all of your personal details from your email addresses, etc., birthday, identity, account ownership. So what you need to do is click on contact info. And then on this page here, you'll be able to see your phone numbers, email addresses associated with your Facebook account. Now to delete a phone number, simply click on it and then click on delete number, click on delete again, and that phone number, or you got to add in your password to continue. So add in your password to continue. And once that is done, you have deleted your number from your Facebook account. I'm not going ahead and do this because I want this phone number associated with my account. So that's it for this video guys. Thanks for watching it to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.